The top 10 health benefits of mushrooms. Mushrooms are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet, and they come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors. In this video, we will explore some of the top facts about the health benefits of mushrooms and learn how to maximize their nutritional value through cooking. 1. Immune system boost. Some types of mushrooms, including shiitake and maitake, contain beta-glucans that can boost the immune system by activating white blood cells. Journal of the American College of Nutrition. 2. Anti-cancer properties. A variety of mushrooms have been shown to contain compounds with anti-cancer properties, including polysaccharides, triterpenoids, and ergothioneine. Current opinion in clinical nutrition and metabolic care. 3. Heart health. Some types of mushrooms, such as portobello and shiitake, contain high levels of antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels. Food chemistry. 4. Brain health. Lion's mane mushrooms, Hericium erinaceus, contain compounds, erinacines and hericenones, that can stimulate the growth of nerve cells and enhance cognitive function. International Journal of Medicinal Mushrooms. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some mushrooms, such as button and oyster, contain anti-inflammatory compounds like beta-glucans, ergothioneine and phenolic compounds, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids. They inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and reduce the activity of inflammatory enzymes that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. International Journal of Molecular Sciences. 6. Diabetes management. Research suggests that consuming mushrooms, such as shiitake and oyster, can help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, making them beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Journal of Medicinal Food. 7. Bone health. Mushrooms are a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and may help prevent conditions such as osteoporosis. Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. 8. Skin health. Shiitake mushrooms contain compounds that can improve the health and appearance of skin by reducing oxidative stress and promoting collagen production. Journal of Drugs in Dermatology. 9. Digestive health. Some types of mushrooms, such as enoki and shiitake, contain prebiotics that can help promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, supporting digestive health. Applied and Environmental Microbiology. 10. Weight management. Mushrooms are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to any weight loss diet. Nutrients. Mushrooms are an incredibly versatile and nutritious food that can support the health of various body systems. Whether you enjoy them sautéed, grilled, or raw, mushrooms offer a wide range of health benefits. By incorporating mushrooms into your diet and choosing cooking methods that preserve their nutrients, you can enjoy their many health benefits while savoring their delicious flavor.